Hello there, welcome to Coding Town on Script Academy. When I load up the game, it'll tell me what my navigation is, which is A, W, S and D to move around, space to jump, double space to fly, or E to open the dashboard. I'm going to press continue, and I have a guide here called Augusta. So I'm going to left click on him, and he tells me first of all that I need to start by building a lemonade stand, and I need to press B to open the materials menu. So I'm going to press B, and this is my building menu. And down here underneath helpers, there's another one saying trading stations, build this first, lemonade. So I'm going to build a lemonade stand. I'm going to put the lemonade stand here by pressing right click. Great, let's go back and do another task. This time, it tells me that I need to have lemons, so for my lemonade stand. So I need to find the trader bunny and then buy some lemons. So I'm going to press continue, and then I'm going to find the trader bunny. There he is over there. So I'm going to walk over to him, and then I'm going to left click on the bunny, and he says he sells lemons, and I'm going to go and buy 10 lemons by tapping on buy one 10 times. And I'm going to close it, and it says great, I've bought those lemons, and that task is completed. Let's go back to our guide. Now, it's suggesting here that we get a helper to help us buy those lemons. So, we're going to go press continue. Then I'm going to go back to the trader, and now I'm going to go and get a helper. So I'm going to go to the build menu, and you can see here there are some helpers, a choice of helpers. So I'm just going to choose one at random. I'll choose this green one. And then I'm going to press on the right click to put him here, and then we can code him. So I'm going to press left click on the mouse. Now I'm going to program my helper. So I'm going to go to events. When clicked, then we're going to go to every 10 seconds. So there we go, every 10 seconds repeat. And then we're going to buy lemons, 7 of them. So this means that you get a constant stock of lemons for your lemonade store. That's it, and now I'm going to press apply, and that's that part done. Let's go back to our guide and see what our next task is. Okay, this time he wants us to have some fun by creating a remote controlled robot. So we want a new helper, and we want to program it according to the instructions. So I'm going to press continue, and I'm going to go about here, and this is where I'm going to put my new robot. So I'm going to press B, and then I'm going to get another helper. This time I go for this one, and I'm going to left click on him, and now it's suggesting a way I can program him. So I'm going to go to events, when the up key is pressed. So when the up key is pressed, I'm going to just make that bigger so you can see. When the up key is pressed, we are going to walk forward 1 step. And then I'm going to press apply. So let's test that. Brilliant. So when I press my up arrow, he walks forward. I'm going to click on him again and do the rest of the programming. So this time, I'm going to go to events, and then what I'm going to do is when the left key is pressed, then I can go walk left. So I'm going to go to movement, and then we're going to go to walk left. And actually I can even just put that 0 steps. So what he does, he turns to the left but doesn't actually move. I'm going to do the same with the right. So I'm going to go to when the right key is pressed, and then we're going to go to movement again, and then we're going to go to when walk right. Again, I'm going to put 0 steps. And let's just test that robot and see if it works. So let's test. So that's it. So now, when I use my left key, he spins left. When I press my right key, he spins right. And when I press the up arrow, he walks forward. Have fun with this. I don't know how he's managed to fly though. Oh, he's back on the ground now.